Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do a little outfit check. I'm gonna show you my little outfit. So guys, how are you? Ignore the room, this is the guest room. As you can see right here, I have my natural hair, nice clips and that stuff. I'm actually on a journey to grow my hair. I need to grow my hair. Like, it's been this length for who knows how long. I'll say it's about this long. I have 4C hair and I tried to blow dry, but I haven't blow dried it fully. So this is not my hair to the longest length it can be. But I'll say my hair is about here normally. And it's been at length for such a long freaking time. I need to lock in and I need to make sure my hair's long. So here is my plan and you're going to join me on this journey. I have always done braids, twist, crochet, which I love. I've done weave twice and I don't regret doing crochet because it actually helps my hair, you know, not break. Whenever I do knotless, I'm seeing my hair is breaking. My hair is breaking. It's breaking slowly, but knotless just makes my hair break. Like in general, my hair just breaks when I do knotless. So I just finished taking off twists, knotless twists, and I'm just thinking I'm about to take a break until August, my holiday. But for now, I want my hair to relax. You know, just do my natural hair, rock the curls sometimes. I washed my hair yesterday, it's very clean. It's like, it's blow dried, but it's not very blow dried. And I want to tell you guys what I did. Done loads of research with AI, with TikTok. I mixed coconut oil, which I use this for oil pulling with my mouth, but I can also use it for my hair, and castor oil. I soaked those two things into my hair. Put this around my head, and when I put this around my head, I waited for about 40 minutes and I just let all the oil soak and do its thing. This actually made my hair very soft for when I went to go ahead and wash it with. It's a mix of a shampoo and a mix of conditioner. So because I soaked the oil into my hair, it's kind of just made my hair just soft, bro. And I heard that 4C hair needs oil to grow, and I barely use oil in my hair. My hair, I never do oil. So I actually want to use oil to make my hair grow. And my hair was very easy to wash. I sectioned it into 4 sections, and I washed my hair in 4 sections, 2 rounds. So first round is like kind of to get the dirt out. Second round is to make sure that you really like get that dirt out. And you should see that it kind of foams up the second round because your hair's getting squeaky clean. I even do that with my body. I shower, the dirt's off. Not if I'm really there, but the dirt's off and then I do it again. So I always do stuff for 2 rounds to make sure that's extra clean. Period. Then after I wash my hair, I put leave-in conditioner. This coconut oil product. I have these products, but I haven't got them with me right now. But I just put these products into my hair. Loads of products you can find. Your mom probably has some products like just left around. I just make sure my hair feel greasy. And then I blow dry my hair. That's how I'm going to be growing my hair out. I'm going to be growing my hair for 3 months to see what happens to my hair. So I'm going to lock in and I'm going to try wash my hair every other week. Normally, if you have braids, you can only wash your hair like once a month or as long as you keep your braids. So imagine you have braids for 9 weeks. You're going to wash your hair for 9 weeks. I'm really washing my hair more. I'm moisturizing it. I'm going to add oil to my hair at least 3 times a week, and I'm looking the freaking bro. I'm looking in. That's what I'm gonna do. And then for style, I'm gonna do styles like this. I'm gonna do a middle part. Sometimes I'm gonna do a low ponytail. I don't like high ponytails because I don't like my forehead. I'm gonna limit doing edges, putting gel in my hair because that just makes my hair dirty, flaky, and I don't like that. I'm gonna get some coils, and when I put heat on my hair, I might just coil my hair. So I just have like nice coils, like coily hair. Like that's so pretty. If I get really confident with my hair, I might not blow dry my hair and I might rock my curls. I have a video of my curls I'll insert. I might just rock them. But that's my hair journey. You can do it with me. And yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe.